Hi everyone, this is Rachel from Science World, and today I'm joined by Stratus the caddis. So just like us, animals have a natural tendency to use one hand or paw over another.
Do you have a favorite paw?
So we're going to be doing a few activities today with Stratus and maybe learn about if Stratus is a right pawed or a left paw kitty cat. All I'm using is some string, Stratus's favorite toy, Stratus of course, and some of his favorite treats.
Step 1. Dangle the string and use the power of observation to watch your animal. Do they use one paw over another? Stratus looks like he's using his left paw a lot.
Let's switch up the toy to see if that makes any difference. Oh, we got some right paw going. Ooh. Are you ambidextrous? The tiebreaker. Let's see if Stratus will high-five me.
High five.
Yay! Looks like I might have a left-handed kitty here. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and as always, use the hashtag #ShowUsYourScience. Gross, Stratus. Ugh.